What is up, YouTube? Ruben.
This train's final destination is Atlantic Station in East LA. Thanks for going Metro. Please don't eat, drink, or smoke in trains or on platforms. Prefer placing your feet on the seats.
What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I am riding 730. It's a 2008 Ansaldobreda P2550, and today I am riding this train on the nighttime train as part of election day from Sierra Madre Villa all the way to Memorial Park. Yes, they did make some upgrades to this track. We're about to stop at Allen Station, and that is the stop for the Pasadena Transit Bus Yard and Pasadena City College.
The next stop is Allen Station, connecting with the Pasadena City College shuttle downstairs. This is Allen Station.
The next stop is Lake Station.
This is Lake Station. Thanks for going Metro. Please be considerate of those around you and don't play loud music or take up more than one seat. If you're standing, please keep doorways clear by moving to the center of the car. Lights should be placed in the designated areas on board so they don't block access for others. And for everyone's safety and to keep service on high, please do not try to hold the doors open.
And that's it. That is a ride on Los Angeles Metro 730. It's a 2008 Ansaldobreda P2550. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure you hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
The next stop is Memorial Park Station, exit here for Pasadena Civic Center, Old Pasadena, and Paseo, Colorado. Connect here with Metro 501 Express to Glendale, Burbank, and the Orange Line at Nova from nearby Raymond Avenue. Welcome aboard the Metro Gold Club. This train's final destination is Atlantic Station, East LA. Thanks for going Metro. Please come eat, drink,